with Memphis Audio in the house. We got this Razor completely decked out with the Memphis Audio sub and sound bar.
This is a sound bar that's an industry game changer. Absolutely packed with features, full-blown source unit, video input for a backup camera, the ability to expand and do so many different things, AM, FM, Bluetooth, the list goes on, and then also a brand new subwoofer that we have that's in the back there, which is an amplified 10-inch subwoofer, marine grade, equipped with RGBs, all the power that you're gonna need to be rocking out on the trail.
And this also will fit on a side-by-side or golf cart. So if a customer wants to cruise the neighborhood, the lake roads, they can throw this on their golf cart.
100%, 100%. Definitely fits many different applications.
Awesome. Well, I'm ready to go. You ready?
Yeah, let's go. Let's do this.
Let's ride.